Hello, investor and trader. Welcome back to another episode of Live Day Trading Recap. I'm gonna say sorry in advance because in this video you're gonna see price buy and sell does not correlate to the screen right here. That because I have multiple screens that I look at. For example, let me show you guys here's my other screen. I have this right here that you guys don't see. As you can see, I have other stocks that I look or watch. So when I place an order, you might not gonna see the chart. So it's kind of like jumping all over the place. On top of that, I have my TD chart up also for me to see more charts. So I apologize in advance that you might not gonna see the buy and sell chart when the order has been placed, but I'll try my best to narrate what I did. So at the beginning of the market, during pre-market, I decided to jump in QDEL with 2,000 shares at 170, but I couldn't get in at that price, so I had to increase a little bit on top of that. Notice the volume here is very low. You know, my whole order right here is equal to this volume. So I like the daily formation. I know today QDEL is going to be green. In fact, QDEL today was green. It's just based on the candlestick formation. So I get in 25 shares, but I realized okay, I gotta increase this to get in right away. But now that I look back, I should have been more patient because I get in at a best price, but a pretty okay price. So you can see right there, I adjusted to 35 cents, and I still couldn't get in. You can see my order right here. So I realized, okay, I gotta buy 171 just to beat this guy right here, and I did. So I got filled. You can see now 4,000 shares. All these right here are my orders that I gobble up. Okay, so now and it's still not full yet. It's still short like 20 shares or 15, 16 share, whatever, 12 share ish. So I was like, you know what? This is close enough. So I canceled the remaining because now I have my position built during the pre-market. Okay, so that was the first buy. Meanwhile, I was looking at other stock. I did AMD trade. Okay, AMD is right here. That was a quick 2 minute. So it's tanking. I bought right here and I sold right there. That's just pretty much it. So that was a quick 150, small size, only 300 shares. Get my feet wet first. And then I did another trade on Amazon, also during pre-market. Same thing for Amazon. So I got filled right there at 131.60 right here. Sold it to resistance at 31.75. Again, that was a pretty quick trade also. Small size, only 35 shares. And there you go. So that's filled. So that's a quick $500. That was only like a 8 minute ish. Still pretty short because cause when I trade I use 5 minute. So that was during pre-market. And then when the bell opens, fast lead was tanking pretty fast. So I want to catch this dip, and I got it. I got in around this price right here, but I was waiting for the bounce, but yeah, it's okay. And I sold it like right here. So this was also a quick little fast trade because the stock eventually went back up, and there you go. And I got filled. So that was a quick one. That was like only like a minute ish, and then fastly continued to the downside. So let's see what else I did. Oh yeah, I bought in AMD at this on this candle, 1,000 shares. QDEL, I exited. Oh shit, oops. So QDEL, I exit. So that was 1,600. Didn't capture in camera footage, I think. Nope. Home Depot is falling, so I decided to jump in Home Depot. I think I got in on this candle right here at 258. AMD sold. Yeah, sorry, I didn't get on camera. It's just jumping all over the place. Fast lead, sell, same thing. It just jumped all over the place. Home Depot, I tried to catch a falling knife, but I catch a little bit too early, but that's okay. So my original price to sell limit, because this thing's taking forever to sell, I decided, you know what, I'm not gonna sit here and wait for this thing to go to 260. So I just AFK my laptop and just put a price limit. The reason why is because on the 15-minute chart and the 1 hour chart, that was the resistance. So that's why I had the price target. So eventually I got back to my laptop and I saw this kind of right here, and I saw this big green candle shows up. So I decided to exit right there. I didn't expect this continue because notice this green candle is pretty damn big. Look at the volume. So I got out, but I guess I got out too early. I should have stick to my original exit, which is 60 and a half, because eventually it hit 60 and a half. Yeah, like right there. But oh well. So by now I'm up 4,200. Okay, so that's during the day, and then after that I just AFK my laptop. So, and then I took a loss, or I tried to trade T-Doc during the after hours, catching a falling knife. So you can see the time right here, 4:27. So I was waiting for this, I was waiting for that, and I was waiting for this. Now this green candle shows up, so I know, hey, this could be the reversal, during that instant moment, like that. So I got in on this one. I got in at a pretty bad price at 32, 38 and a half. I should have, now it's hindsight, right? But when this candle finished forming, I saw two wicks right here. I'm like, oh shit, that means it's gonna go down. Well, high probability that it's gonna go down. So I know I'm in trouble. That's why I need to cut my loss, and I did. I think I cut my loss like right here. Yeah, cut my loss. That's not down 800, and after that, not doing much. So I end up with the day with 3,400, which is not so bad compared to yesterday. I mean, yesterday I took a 3,100 loss. So right now, as for the month, I am up 22. So I reached my goal already, because my goal is around 20,000 a month, which equivalent to $250,000 a year. That's my goal for this account for day trading. Okay. After that, not much. Oh yeah, I was watching this stock right here, but didn't have the guts to pull the trigger because it happened so fast and so crazy that, man, another second round of short squeeze, I guess. So yeah, I didn't trade, but damn, this would be perfect entry right here. Missed this whole entire run. I was watching this the entire time, like how high can this go? Because I was looking at 200, because there's a gap right here. So it filled in this gap already, so that's good. But I just couldn't do it, man. I don't know. I just couldn't pull the trigger. Maybe the price fluctuation moved too fast, and that scares me. When you enter like 1,000 shares or 500 shares, it just moves too fast. It just scares me. I mean, I don't want to down enter a position. Next thing you know, I'm down like 5K because it dropped $10 on 500 shares position. Very fun to watch. I wonder what this is gonna do tomorrow. Okay, see you guys on the next video. Bye.